here's a fun new rope flow sequence to try out. I'm calling it the behind the back flex, or we can call it the flex around the whirl. So this is what it looks like. And here from the back. So let's break that move down into 6 steps. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Step number 1 is understanding how to do the flex. The flex is very similar to the hook. So with the hook, this is what it looks like. Basically, you have the rope going clockwise in front of you. You drop your left hand near your right elbow, and you need to be able to lift it up in the front and throw it over to the back like so. So I'll post a detailed tutorial to the hook. But with the flex, instead of holding the rope, you're going to release with your left hand, and you pinch the rope here in your elbow between your bicep. So that's why it's called a flex, so that you can keep that movement going, but with one hand. All right? So this will require a lot of shoulder rotation. So that's step number 1. So this is 1, 2. So 2 is the first rotation on the back. So you have 1, 2, and then now you go into 3. Is where you get ready with your left hand behind your back. The position is palm facing towards your back, thumb facing up. And when you do that flex and you come down on the back, your hand is going to come down and you will open up your elbow and the rope will drop into your left hand. So I'll show that in motion. Flex and drop and catch it with your left hand like so. All right? Let's see that again. Flex and catch. So now we are up to step 3. The next step, now that you've caught it with your left hand, is to pull out with your left hand and turn to your left, creating another rotation on the back. That should feel a bit like the Cheetador. So just to show from the beginning, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Coming out another time on the left. And 4 going into 5 is as you come up, you will actually catch the rope here on your left elbow this time. So it's going to come up, and then because your right hand is already close to your left elbow over here, it's going to come up and you hook it with your left elbow, and now you release with your right hand, and then you bring it over your left shoulder. So showing from the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you just catch it back on the front. So let's see what it looks like again. 1, 2, 3, pull out, catch on your left elbow, and you bring it back over, and you just catch it in your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6.